Okay, in CBM PRG Studio, I'm going to start out by going to File, New Basic Project, give it a name. I call it Enigma, and then OK. So now I can go to File, Import, Basic File, click OK on this window. And then I'm looking for a D64. I'm going to extract the PRG file that's on the D64. And here it is, enigma02.d64. I'm going to select the PRG I want to extract. Click OK. Now I have it here in a new tab. So I can go up to Build, Program, to File, select where I want it. My name is enigma02.prg. So I can click on Save. Now this is the folder where Python is installed. And I've copied my enigma02.prg here. And I also have the prg2crt.py Python file. So all my files and python.exe is also in this folder. So now I can go to the command prompt and cd to that folder. Then I'm going to enter the command python.exe prg2crt.py, the name of my PRG file and the name that I want my CRT to be called, enigma.crt. Then just hit enter. And here's my CRT file. I'm going to copy that and put it on the desktop. Next, go to Device, File, attach cartridge image, attach the CRT file, and it should auto run. Test out my program here real quick. And everything seems to be working. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.